Hello, myself Aman from Team Segmentation Error. So we have participated in Hack This Fall hackathon, which is a 48 hours hackathon, right? So in this we have participated in the Open Innovation Challenge, where we would be solving some open ideas in which we would be solving some real world problems. So what we have decided to solve is the exam timetable generator. So it's a simple and easy to use application which takes semester subjects and maximum number of slots as input from the user, and it displays the schedule for examination in an automated manner. As we know that exam table is required by every educational institute, be it semester, year, universities or colleges, for their internal and final semester exams. So what we have used is an approach of graph coloring, which is used by graph algorithms, in which we have tried to solve this timetable scheduling problem. So firstly we made our solution in C++ for the backend part, and then we prepared the web UI, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript as well. So I would be showing you the working of this problem in the C++ solution part first of all. So let's solve into it. So the first thing is, this is the code that we have prepared for the solution of our hackathon problem, which is the exam timetable generator. So we would run this program and would see what the results are. So firstly we have to enter the name of our college. So like we put in our college name, which is IIT BHU, and here is what semester timetable do you want, for the odd side of semesters or the even side. So for example, if I want even side semesters, it's 2, and so enter number of semester 2 subjects. So semester 2 subjects number is like here in the down, a sample test is to try it, it's 5. So here it is. So we have to enter the subject codes. So we just simply copy it and paste it here, and after that we have, so the best part of our solution is that we can also include the overload subjects. So our solution is so much efficient that if a student is having overload subjects as well as his fresh year subjects, he would be able to solve the paper on different days by being tension free of that there would be no overlapping subject examinations. Okay, so for example, for semester 4 we enter 7, and these are the subject codes. So we just simply copy and then paste it here, and after that for the last semester its number of subjects is 5 again. So what we do is, like, we just simply copy it and paste it here as well. So as you can see that here it's showing the number of days to get examinations would be 7. So this is the maximum number of days you want to have your examinations, in which every year student would be participating on each day of examinations. So for example, if I want 2 slots per day, like a morning slot and an evening slot, so if I take 2 slots, then we would be needing only 4 days of examinations. So this is the exam timetable which you can use and publish in your college for the exam timetable generation, and it's an automated solution to it. So for example, if you want multiple timetables, so you can simply go for one and it would restart the loop for your exam timetable generation. But the thing is, this is a C++ solution. So what we started to prepare after then was a web UI, like this one, where this is the UI where you go to get started and enter the number of semesters you want, like for example 3. If you put 3, then here you can enter your subject codes, and once you click the generate button, it would generate a great UI for the exam timetable, which you would be able to download as a PDF as well as mail to the students as well, which would be we would be adding the feature in coming some days, since it was a 48-hour hackathon. So it was quite a lengthy job for us to prepare all this UI as well as the backend part. However, we have made some we are halfway done, so we would be continuing with this project, and hence we are submitting our solution with it. And in this GitHub repo we are submitting the C++ code by which you can check our exam timetable generator solutions working. Thanks a lot for giving us a chance to participate in this hackathon. Thank you.